still raining? No. Good. Give this camera a test outside. But yeah, it's one hell of a zoom. Shaky, shaky though. Very shaky. That's with no digital zoom on as well. Always turn that off. So hello, yes, TRV 170, 270, 270. I think it's 270. I'll put it in the, always put it in the details anyway, don't I? Yeah, giving this a proper test after me repairing it. Yeah, glad I had one of these before, which had again a C32 error, and I fixed it and sold it off at a time when I needed some money. But yeah, it's nice to get one of these again and also have it fully working again. Most important thing. Yeah, that is with steady shot on, but I mean that is a hell of a zoom, which is fair enough, but still very shaky. Very rainy, rubbish weather. The chair's blown over. Oh my god, the towels on the floor wet. I've got some real problems here. The lens is spotless. Look mint condition, this camera. Wet leaf detail. Good focus, considering how close that is. Right, let's get this on some computer. That's if the firewire connection is working. Right, let's get inside. Speak to you on the next one.